Hi, and welcome to our first episode of Ask Your Energy Advisor. I'm Casey McVicker, Member Services Manager for Gurns Muskingum Electric, and with me today is Ray Kroc, Energy Advisor. So Ray, we are in full swing with winter, and a lot of times today members are turning to electric space heaters to make their homes more comfortable. Can you tell me a little bit about some of the space heaters that we have here with us and some of the features?
Yeah, this is a small sampling of the space heaters that Orem West Hardware had. Thanks to them, we've got these boxes here. But there's a lot of different types. You'll hear terms like quartz, infrared, radiant, convection, ceramic, oil-filled. They all produce the same amount of heat on the same amount of wattage. Every one of these heaters are 1,500 watts. They may have other settings, but they're 1,500 watts on high, and they put out the same amount of heat, every one of them. They may heat a little differently, but that's the most important thing for people to know is it doesn't matter what electric heater they buy. It is going to produce the same.
How much does it cost me to run this small space heater compared to the oil-filled radiator heater?
Well, it costs the same on both of them. It costs the same. You could take the wattage, which is 1,500 watts, and multiply that times how many hours a day you run it, and then divide that by 1,000, and you would get how many kilowatt hours it's using every day. Times 31 days, you'd have how many it does in a month. And just a ballpark at current rates, we're talking like $5.25 a day to run one of these heaters all day. $162 a month.
Wow.
And like I said, that's just a ballpark.
Okay, so Ray, next question. Is it safe to run these electric space heaters?
Yes, the electric space heaters are safe, and actually I've found that most of them have the same features as far as safety, but it's what you do with it. Don't plug it into a light duty extension cord. Don't put that extension cord underneath rugs and stuff where heat can build up, because a light duty extension cord will get hot when the heater's running.
Okay.
Don't put the heater close to combustible things like curtains and bedding and stuff like that.
Because it's a fire hazard.
Yeah, I mean, it's producing heat, and if a piece of bedding falls down on it, it could catch on fire then. Beware around kids and pets, it could do things. And most importantly, every one of these heaters here has tip over protection, which is essentially some kind of a button or something in it that if it gets knocked over, the power shuts off.
That's a nice safety feature. Thank you, Ray, and thank you for tuning in today to this episode of Ask Your Energy Advisor. If you have a topic or a question for our Energy Advisor, email us at mailbox@gmenergy.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe to get notifications about our next episode.